Welcome to Lesson 20. Today we're going to learn about some very useful vocabulary. And if you don't know these words, you must learn them because you will need them. So vocabulary means words. And the words we're going to talk about today start with the days of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are our weekend. And our work week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Say it again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But some places, Sunday is the first day of the work week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the weekend, when you don't work, holiday, it's Friday and Saturday. Right, so let's look at some months. The first month of our year is January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again, one more time, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are seasons: summer, spring, autumn, and winter. Summer is usually hot. And spring is when all the plants start flowering and everything's very pretty. And autumn, or they call it fall in Canada, maybe that's because the leaves all fall off the trees. And winter is cold. So what months do you have in summer? Here, summer is May, June, and July. And autumn is August, September, October. And winter is November, December, January. And spring is February, March, and April. But it depends where you are in the world. If you're north of the equator or if you're south. So if you live in Europe, if you live in China, if you live in the Middle East, you're probably going to be in the north. But if you live in Africa or in Australia or New Zealand, you're probably going to live in the south hemisphere. And then your autumn is going to be February, March, April. Winter is going to be May, June, July. Spring, August, September, October. Summer, November, December, and January. Now, how do we say years? In English, we normally say two numbers. So 1945. The first two and the last two. 1945. 1990. 2015. 2020. 2025. And sometimes we put them all together, like we say the 1960s. That means the whole time from 1960 to 1961, 62, 63, up to 1969. And the same with the 2000s. Now let's look at some times of the day and meal times. In the morning, we wake up, we have breakfast. In the afternoon, we have lunch. In the evening, we have dinner. And at night, we shouldn't really eat. So morning is first, then afternoon, then evening, then night. And your first meal is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's do a little quiz. What month comes after January? December, February, or April? Yep, February. What day becomes between Sunday and Tuesday? Monday. What season is cold? Summer or winter? Winter. What do you eat in the evening? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? And you go to bed in the morning, at night, in the afternoon, maybe sometimes in the afternoon, but every night at night. So well done. See you next time for prepositions of time. See you later.